Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Brian. Thanks for tuning in for a new video. Today I'm playing again with this swipe technique, and I'm using a larger canvas, and I'm going to spin it out, leaving negative space. I hope I've got enough space on my table to spin it out, because I am pretty crowded around here. Got a lot of paintings sitting around, so fingers crossed I can get this thing spun out without getting everything messed up. So, all right, let's get down on the canvas and let's get started. I'll be right back. All right, so what I am doing is I'm playing with that same color palette from a couple of videos, not the last video, but the video before that. I'm using the same color palette. This is a 15 by 30 canvas. What I'm going to do is I'm going to swipe the same colors, leaving a negative space. So what I'd like to do is go from corner to middle, and I'm going to swipe. I'm going to lay the colors out, and I will swipe through them and then spin my canvas here like so, and hopefully get a really cool outcome. So real quick, I'll just run through the colors again. So this color here is my burnt umber from Arteza. This is burnt sienna from Amsterdam. This is pearl white from Amsterdam. This is 24K gold from DecoArt mixed with a little precious gold from Pebeo, and Amsterdam in Paynes Grey. And then my white is the Loft soft body. This stuff tends to sell up real easy, so I like that. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I am gonna go ahead and lay out some white here. So I'm going to start from corner to about middle. All right. Try something different with my gold. Just gonna like weave it over top. I'm going to do the same thing with the pearl white. That's the burnt umber. Just a little bit of that white again. And some sienna. I'm going to do the same thing over here. Paynes Grey. Weave the gold in there. The pearl white. Burnt umber, pearl white, and the sienna. Now, what do I think I'm gonna swipe through? This is my number 2 Fluid Art Co. I think I'm gonna use the black and white Cell Activator. I'm going to use them in conjunction with each other. Let's see how this swipe goes. I'm going to put white down first and then a streaks of black on the back. All right. Flip it over here, and I'm just going to lightly press and drag right through it all. Right off the side. Wow, this is really cool. All right, let's bring it back around this side here. We'll do the same thing on this side. Load up my palette knife here with white. Black and white. Put it on the edge and swipe right through. Now the moment of truth. Going to spin this throw my board up here. All right, here we go. Give it another rotation. All right, guys, I'm going to get my edges and sides covered, and then I'm going to bring you guys in. Okay, guys, so here we are. So I've turned it so it's not going vertical. That way I can get it into the full shot. But when it dries, we'll do 2 different angles and see which direction is going to look the best. But love this so much. Love playing with negative space, and I'm having a lot of fun with this swiping. So let's start you down here. With the negative space, everything looks really cool. All right, we'll see this when it's dry. I'll be right back. All right, here we are with the dry result. Now this one I'm really loving, but I really don't know which way I want to turn this, but let me bring you up close. All right, guys, that's gonna do it. Love how this came out. It dried so well. I'm loving the color combination. Again, great cells, great lacing, dried great. The only thing I'm not sure about orientation-wise. Should it be like this? Should it be like that? You guys let me know in the comments. All right, everyone, thanks for tuning in. I'll see you next week. Everyone have a great weekend. Bye-bye.